What is going on with Healthier Choices Management Corp stock? Is it still worth it? It closed the session of the 18th of March 2021 at $0.0014, down 6.67%. 23.8 million shares were exchanged hands, which is below average. We have to give credit to Charles Schwab, the provider of this platform we're using in this session. So going on, we can say we have a position in Hcmc, and it's important that you know that. So moving down, we can easily see that there isn't any fresh news. It's only the most official, I believe, is the announcement that it now has an official Twitter page, and we have not gone there to see what's going on. So moving down, we can see that its momentum, based on the 14 period slow stochastic oscillator, that is 14. We're talking about 14 periods backwards from the 18th of March, is also looking up. Though the MACD histogram is below zero, MACD histogram is also, so MACD is below the signal line, but MACD histogram looks below zero. So technically it's saying that Hcmc appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend. Let's look. It's correcting within a long term bullish trend. Based on this 1 minute chart, that is quite evident. That is evident. This is the long term bullish trend line. This is the 200-day trend line, the long term bullish trend line. This is Hcmc's price, and we have here this blue line, the 50-day trend line, the intermediate trend line. Then this green one is the 10-day trend line. This one, where the crosshairs is, that's the 10-day trend line. This is the 20-day trend line. Both the 10-day and the 20-day are short-term trend lines. Moving down, we can go ahead and see that although its MACD is presently below the signal line, as we just pointed out, and you can also see this blue line, shares remain 182.1% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. Comparative relative strength analysis shows it is lagging the S&P 500. Momentum for Hcmc is improving. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors begin to purchase shares. That is helpful. The volume for the 18th of March 2021 was lighter than usual. It was 23.8 million shares versus an average of 2.442 billion shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. You can see the average volume for 10 days is 6.249 billion as well. So the unbalanced volume indicator, you can see here, is bullish. Is bullish. Okay, the slope of the indicator is positive. Okay, we can't visibly see that, but that is what it's saying. So going on, we can see that yes, we don't exactly know what's going on. A lot of market participants are involved with the stock, and it's of great interest to a lot of other people, short sellers and their like. It's quite active. It's relatively active in the markets. Always fluctuating between, or rather, gaining 6.67% or losing 6.6% or thereabout. But all in all, momentum is gradually improving over the last 14 sessions. It's looking up. Fingers crossed. Technically it's a buy. But I've not seen anything negative as such concerning the fundamentals of Hcmc. So, but I'm sure you must be really bored, seeing nothing coming out, or seeing the stock retrace to these sort of levels. But in any case, though, technically it's still there, still presenting a good buying opportunity. Okay, so that's much we can say. We'll continue to update you. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.